We realize that there is no one-size-fits-all solution that will meet all of our customers' needs, so we've created options for many of the features that may change from one store to the next. Options can be set at one of three levels. Application-level options apply to all your users, regardless of the workstation they are working at. This ensures consistent operation across your store or stores. Workstation options only apply to a single workstation. These options are generally hardware-related, as the hardware you use, like scanners and printers, may change from one workstation to the next. Finally, there are user-level options. Each of your employees can set these options based on their personal preferences. There is a separate editing form for each option level, as we'll see shortly. In each of the option editing forms, the available options are organized by application module. Within each module, the options are put into subfolders. The operations folders contain options that relate to the business rules you have established for your store. The printing folders contain options like label and receipt designs, as well as the email templates you use. The reports folders contain options about automated reports. You can use the Find Option Fast Search field to quickly locate the option you are looking for. Type in a part of the option name and the matching results will appear in a list. When you click on a folder in the list, all the options in that folder will be displayed in the editing area. Most of the options are set using a drop-down menu for options with multiple choices available, or checkboxes for on-off options. A few options use a text box for you to enter a value. Let's start with a review of the application-level options. In the Classes module, the Class Info Sheet email is the email template used to send class info sheets to enrolled students. Other class-related emails are sent manually from the Classes form. In the Customers module, the Customer label defines the label designed for customer mailing labels. The Quote for Lead option defines the document design you have created for printing full-page quotes for prospective customers. In the Inventory module, the Current Inventory Start Date defines when the current store inventory cycle was started. This value is set automatically when you start a new inventory cycle. The Product Label option defines the label design you use for printing product labels. The Point of Sale module has quite a few options at the application level. Max Layaway Days defines how long customers can keep an item on layaway. Turn on the Tax Before Discount option if sales tax is to be calculated before discounts are applied. Turn on the Tax Before Trade-in option if sales tax is to be calculated before the trade-in value is subtracted. If the Use Custom POS Number option is turned on, sale numbers will be assigned with a custom number sequence that you choose, rather than the internal number created for each sale. If the Save Charge Card Details option is activated, point-of-sale transactions paid by credit card will pop up a form at the time of the sale so you can select which credit card type is being used. The Today's Discounts Last Updated option is set automatically by the application, to ensure that the list of discounted products gets updated at the start of each day. The last 6 options on this page relate to the configuration of the integrated credit card payment system, and are only needed if you are using integrated payments. The Dragonfly support team will help you with these options when your store is set up for Dragonfly. In the Printing folder, the Serialized Item label defines the label design used to print labels you put on serialized items. The POS Receipt option defines the receipt layout used for point-of-sale receipts printed on a standard receipt printer. The POS Full-Page Receipt option defines the full-page receipt layout used for sale receipts sent to a full-page printer. The POS Email Receipt Template option defines the email template used when emailing point-of-sale receipts to customers. The POS Receipt Email Delivery option defines when email receipts are sent to point-of-sale customers. The Station Cache Activity option defines the report used to summarize the cache transaction activity for a workstation. The maximum rows for POS review sets a limit on the number of sales you can review on the POS review form. This limit is used to avoid slow data loading into the form. The Rewards folder provides the options for your customer rewards program. If you have such a program, be sure the active option is checked. Next, define how many rewards points the customer gets for each dollar spent. If clerks are allowed to apply multiple sale level discounts on a point-of-sale purchase, check the Allow Multiple Sale Level Discounts box. Finally, decide if customer rewards points are awarded on discounted items. In the Purchasing module, if the Use Custom Purchase Order Number option is turned on, purchase order numbers will be assigned with a custom number sequence that you choose, rather than the internal number created for each purchase order. The Use Custom Order Receipt Numbers option is the same, but for order receipt numbers. In the Ordering folder, decide if suggested order quantities should be set based on each product's desired inventory or warning level. The Rounding Direction option determines how the suggested order quantity should be rounded if the product is sold in multiple quantities. If the Automatically Set Item Order Quantity option is turned on, suggested order quantities will be set automatically for each product as you add it to the order. The Special Order Received Email option defines the email template used to notify customers when the special order they placed has been received. The Vendor Orders Email option defines the email template used to submit orders to vendors via email. The Vendor Open Order Report option defines the report the program generates to summarize backordered items for a vendor. The Default Document for Orders option defines the document to be used for printing order summaries. There is only one Rentals option, which allows you to use custom rental numbers instead of the number assigned internally to the rental. In the Repairs module, if the Email Customer When Repair Complete option is turned on, an email will be automatically sent to a customer when their repair or service activity has been completed. If the Use Custom Repair Numbers option is turned on, repair numbers will be assigned with a custom number sequence that you choose, rather than the internal number created for each repair. The Repair Complete Email option defines the email template used to notify customers when their repair has been completed. In the Reports module, the default document font and font size options define the font used by default when creating new documents. In the Store Administration module, the email options define the details of the email system you use to send emails from Dragonfly. The Dragonfly support team can help you with these options. The Store option allows you to choose which store you are in. This is only used by stores with multiple locations. The Customer ID option contains the unique number assigned to you as a Dragonfly customer. This number must not be changed. The License Update Method option defines if your license updates are delivered as files that we send you via email, or if your license updates happen automatically via the Internet. If the Hide Empty Dashboard Panels option is turned on, the individual data tables in the customer, product, and reminders dashboards will be hidden if they don't contain any data. If you are operating in a multi-store situation, check the Synchronize option to automatically sync your store's database with your other stores. Finally, the Employee Label defines the label design you are using for the labels that would be applied to your workers' badges. There are only a few options that are set at the workstation level. Under Point of Sale, if the Print Receipt After Sale option is turned on, the sale receipt will be automatically sent to the receipt printer after each sale is finalized. Turn this off if you prefer to print receipts on demand. The Cash Drawer Open Events option defines the tender types at point of sale that will send a drawer open command to the cash register when the sale is finalized. The next three options are used for Canadian stores that use integrated credit card services. The Dragonfly support team will help you set up these options if they are needed. If the Automatically Open POS Form on Login option is selected, the navigator panel will slide out of the way and the point of sale form will automatically open when the user logs in. Under Store Administration, the Scanner Prefix option allows you to define a special character that your scanner sends as the first character in every scan. This option allows Dragonfly to automatically send scan numbers or text to the appropriate field, no matter which field you are currently in on the form being used. In most situations, scanners will use the tilde character, found next to the 1 key on your keyboard. Choose the type of printer you are using for receipts from the Receipt Printer Type drop-down, then choose the actual printer from the Receipt Printer drop-down. Repeat for the two Label Printer options. If you have a standard printer for printing full-page documents, select it from the Full-Page Printer drop-down. If you want to see larger text for the items listed in the Application Navigator at the left edge of the form, increase the Navigator font size option. On the Fast Search fields located on many of the forms throughout Dragonfly, the default behavior is for the search to begin when the first character is typed in, and then update automatically with each new character. If you are running on a slow computer or have a very large database, the character-by-character search could be prohibitively slow. If this is the case, turn on the Press Enter to process Fast Search option. With this option turned on, Each search will not begin until you press the Enter key. There are currently only 2 options at the individual user level. If the Play Input Prompt sound is turned on, a sound will play each time a form opens, prompting you to enter a value. If Save Form Sizes and Locations is turned on, the system will remember the size and location of each form that you use when you close the form. The form will be restored to the saved size and location the next time the user opens the form.